Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm going to show you, I did it's a very tiny Temu order. Teeny tiny. I didn't spend that much. I didn't get that much. But there were a few things that I wanted, so I placed a quick order. So I just wanted to show you because I got something interesting, and I'll save that to last. So we can see it together because I haven't opened it. So first I got this stamp set. Look how cute this is. Is it blurry or am I blurry? Okay, I don't know what was going on. So it's this field of stars and then two different kinds of tree. I just think this is so cute. And I got it just for the stars, not for the trees. I wanted the stars. It was like, I think $1.78. I will try to remember to link everything down below, okay? But here you go. That's the first thing I got. Then I got this really cool pumpkin die. So it cuts out pieces of the pumpkin so you can layer different papers to make a pumpkin. Looks really cute. I will try, guys, you know, I'm horrible at it, but I will try to put up pictures of what the stuff looks like, okay, along with their current prices. I think I paid a total of $17.96. This one was $1.78. I know that. This I don't remember. Okay, next. I have had this in and out of my cart for months, and I finally just pulled the plug on it. I just really love this little notebook stamp. It's so adorable. I love it. So I had to get it. It was also of course it was Temu. It was very cheap. I got this haunted house die. Now, I'm going to tell you, usually I wouldn't buy a specific die like this. However, in the pictures, it also showed them using it to make Christmas houses. So I thought, oh, okay, I can use it for Christmas and Halloween. Of course, I wouldn't use this stuff, but, and then cut this off right here, and I think it would make a cute little Christmas house. So we'll have to give it a shot. All right, what else did I get? I'm trying not to, oh, if you don't know, my kid loves ants. So I got this ant die. I think it was $1.19 for this ant die. Look how cute it is. I'm going to tell you, it was way cheaper the last time I was going to place an order. Okay, so dumb, but I saw this. I don't know if you've ever shopped. If you've never shopped on Temu, when you're in looking at your cart, if you scroll down, there's a bunch of other things like kind of related to what you've bought or what you've bought in the past. And I had to get this keychain. Look how cute this keychain is. Look at this. Look at it. It's a little hot dog with mustard and a little mustard bottle. How freaking adorable is that? I don't know who it's going to, but I had to buy it. And I didn't even hesitate. That's the thing. Usually I hesitate, and I did not hesitate. All right. Then with the September Build a Journal Challenge coming up, I wanted to add some charms to my journal. And if you don't know this, I'm doing a Halloween themed journal this year. Last year I did fall. I want to do Halloween this year. So I ordered I think it's 10 pieces of charms. And it was a multi-pack. It was a mystery pack. You didn't know what you were getting. And these are the ones I got. I will zoom in then on the table so you can see. Okay, that mummy is adorable. And this cat on the broom, how cute. And then a witch's hat, another witch's hat. Oh, a black version of the ghost. Oh, we have two that are duplicates, but that's okay. So let me zoom in for you so you can see them a little bit better. What do you think? Aren't they adorable? This mummy is so cute. I think these were like $1 something for 10 charms, which I didn't think was that bad. All right, put those off to the side. What else have we got in here? Okay. So I've been knitting a blanket. I don't know if you guys know, but I've been knitting a blanket, and I needed a stitch marker because I'm doing a mitered square blanket, and my stitch markers are all plastic ones, and they're annoying. So I saw this charm, and I'm like, I think I can use that as a stitch marker. Ready? It's the same thing as the keychain, but on a lobster claw, so I can use it as a stitch marker. I cannot wait. I'm very excited for that. Okay, let me take off the autofocus. Okay, and I think that's it, except for this last thing. So, I've seen this before. I never pulled the trigger. I pulled the trigger this time because I just thought it would be interesting to see what I get. And it comes in 20, 30, or 40, I believe. But it is a mystery pack of little tiny dies. Mine was $2.48 for 20. And here they are. They're very small. I have not opened them yet, so let's look to see what I got. Okay. Let's see. I don't even know what some of these are going to cut out. So we have a cat. All right. What is this? I don't know. You know what it reminds me of? I'm aging myself here, but it reminds me of those UFO candies. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? A seahorse, a little fish, a little boot, a star, which, believe it or not, I don't have a star. Oh, look at that. A bat, another kitty cat, a wiener dog. It's like they know me. Another kitty. Oh, I got duplicate kitty cats. That's okay. A flower, maybe? I don't know. A pine cone? Oh, a key? I don't know what that is. Maybe a piece of fence? A bird? A branch, which will go great with the bird. That's definitely a branch. Another bird. Oh, it looks like a paper clip with a pointing hand. See? It's like a paper clip. Okay. A Christmas tree. A Scotty dog. A heart. And a bear wearing a hat. All right, give me a second. I'll zoom in for you guys. Move them down a little bit. There you go. So I got 20 of them and they were $2.48. Not bad. I mean, I got 2 of the same cat, but that's not a big deal. And I have no idea what this is. I don't know. If you have an idea of what that might be, let me know. But other than that, I recognize everything. Well, except for this, but I think it might be fencing. I don't know. And this, I think, is a flower, but I'm not sure. But I think that's pretty good, right? There's nothing in here that's horrible. You guys let me know down below. What do you think? Like I said, it wasn't that much. I really ordered because I wanted charms. There's my board. Stop it. Stop. I really just wanted charms, and I didn't want to pay the price on Amazon. Like, they're so expensive on Amazon for some reason. But there you go. This is what I got. And I cannot wait to use that as a stitch marker. All right, thank you guys for joining me today. Just a little quickie. I'm gonna kill him. I'll be back. I'm gonna smack him. No, I'm not gonna be back. I'm done. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next crafty video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.